everybody, it's me, Elizabeth Malinowski, your independent Norwex sales representative. I'm going to try to jump right into it here today. Norwex's mission is improving quality of life by radically reducing the amount of chemicals that we use in our homes. And when I heard that, I just thought this is a great mission that I could see myself getting behind. And I think that that's the movement we're in right now. I think that you're going to feel the same way too. So let me show you some products and how we're going to do that. First here is our microfiber EnviroCloth. You probably have some microfiber at home. Regular microfiber that you can buy, at any retailer is going to be about 1/6 the width of a human hair, which helps it really pick up a lot of stuff. Norwex microfiber is 1/200th the width of a human hair. So those teeny weeny fibers are what really makes this towel special and really sets it apart. With this, you're going to be able to pick up not just all your dust and debris, but every last little bit of grease and even every last bit of bacteria from surfaces without cleaner. This is a damp EnviroCloth. I'm not going to use any cleaner, and I'm going to show you a little demo that we can do here with this. In this little dish, I have a nice fresh egg. And I'm going to go ahead and crack that egg, and I already spilled it on the table, so that's great. And I'm going to just do a little, mix it up here a little bit, and I'm going to spread it on my table. Gross. And then what I'm going to show you here is this little test. It's like a food grade, like an inspector for food equipment would use, and you just use the swab to go ahead and see if there's, if this surface is sanitary, essentially. So I'm going to rub it in here, get it good and eggy, and I'm going to stick it back in here. And I don't know if you can see the spectrum on here or not, but squirt the juice down here. What we've got is, goes from green to purple here. And just gonna shake this up a little bit. And so green would be clean and purple is gonna be really not sanitary at all. So I'm gonna let that sit and marinate a second. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take my damp EnviroCloth. I'm gonna go over this disgusting eggy mess here. And I'm gonna just wipe the surface down. Just one quick wipe, and that's that. And then I'm going to take my next swab, and I'm going to swab. And I'm going to stick that in here, and I'm take this here, squirt the liquid down, and I'll show you the difference here. If you can see, this one is bright purple, and this one is bright green. So just like that, I picked up every last little bit of food residue, every last bit of bacteria from the surface here with my EnviroCloth. What is special about this now is that the EnviroCloth has embedded microsilver. So what the cloth is doing now with that microsilver is it is self-purifying. So I cannot spread this bacteria from this cloth around the rest of my home because silver is naturally antimicrobial. So it is neutralizing any bacteria that may be in that, and I can go on and move on to my next job. Okay, next thing I'm going to show you guys is how to clean up this generously buttered mirror with just your EnviroCloth and water. So again, we're ridding our home of window cleaner. I'm just going to take my damp Enviro, and I'm going to go over here, and you can just see almost instantly that I'm picking up all of that butter, all of that grease is being lifted off from the mirror. And I'm going to then take my window cloth, this is your new best friend, and I'm going to go ahead and just polish the surface here. And this is great for your like cooktop stoves, granite countertops, and things like that. So just going to get this to a nice streak-free shine here. And there we go. And okay, so a couple more things I want to go through really fast is the mitt. Now the first time I saw this demo, somebody went, if one is great, two is better, and I thought, okay. And then I used two. Let me just really quick take you through how quickly you can clean and dust your home with these. And for things like this, I hate dusting things like this in my house because they have these little grooves and there's no good way to do it. And now, done. For the bathroom, scrubby side, microfiber side, bacteria removed with just water. Enviro wand, this is great because it can snap right onto your mop handle, and you can use it for surfaces like getting up here on your ceiling fan Oh, it's so gross. And like just in one swipe you can see it's just, I don't clean that enough. The last thing I'm going to go through really quick is Norwex for your laundry. So regular detergents can be about 1/3 filler, so you're just paying for a lot of bulk that you really don't need. Those fillers are getting into your clothes and causing extra wear and also causing your clothes to harbor bacteria. So we have this great detergent from Norwex. You can use about a 1/2 teaspoon for your high efficiency machines. This is going to last you forever and you're going to be really happy with it. The very last thing is the dryer balls. These have the potential to pay for themselves in about 2 months' time. They save you about 25% of your drying time, and they're made from, wool, so they're naturally sustainable and really gonna make a difference in not using things like dryer sheets, which are one of the most chemicalized products in our homes. So that's how we get chemicals out of our home with Norwex, and thanks for joining.